There are times when the wire might actually pull itself or be pushed out of the bracket, depending on if you are eating something that has been listed on our foods to avoid list. The wires are a little bit flexible, so when you chew something, they will come out, and then they can cause a little bit of irritation to your gums as that wire is moving around. If you have a nice pair of tweezers or a needle nose pliers, you can actually take the wire and bend it forward and slide it back into the bracket itself and make yourself comfortable. If you are not able to do that, the best thing to do is to put the wax back on, same way as we have before. You'll sandwich the wire all the way to the bracket and hold it into a comfortable position until we can get you seen in the office.